Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable allow payments on Mac with Wallet and Apple Pay on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. In here, go down to the bottom. So go to the Payments on Mac section and tap on Allow Payments on Mac. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And I said that use Apple Pay on your iPhone to confirm payments on your nearby Mac. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.